Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before I begin this presentation, the Honorable to Mr. Asli Usman as the head of Digital Business Study Program, and Honorable to Mrs. Titis Fatarina Maghfirah as the supervisor of my internship, and Mrs. Mita and Mrs. Anna as my mentor at PT Privi Digital Identity. Hello, my name is Nurul Faiza with my student ID 1710621012 and from the Bachelor of Digital Business Study program. And today I will present my internship report titled Internship Report on Marketing Division at PT Privi Digital Identity. During my internship, I gained valuable insights into digital marketing strategies, content marketing, and marketing communication, and then secure management of digital identities at PT Privi Digital Identity. I look forward to sharing my experience and contributions with all of you. Okay, this is table of content that I will present. There are company profile, objectives, place of implementation, vision and mission of the company structure, internship implementation, my obstacles, phase and solutions, and the last conclusion of internship report. And this is the company profile of PT Privi Digital Identity. Okay, PT Privi Digital Identity, or it's called Privi, is a leading provider of digital identity and signature services in Indonesia. Established in Jakarta in 2016, Privi serves thousands of companies and millions of individual users across sectors such as banking, insurance, education, and government. Privi ensures all its services comply with international security standards and local regulations, employing advanced encryption technology and best security practices. Recognized by the Indonesian Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, Privi authorized to register, verify, and issue legally binding electronic certificates and signatures for Indonesian citizens. User data is protected through the use of asymmetric cryptography, ensuring the security and privacy of information. And this is objectives of my internship at PT Privi Digital Identity. For the first objectives, of course, develop social interaction skills and teamwork, and then apply theoretical my knowledge in campus to practical work, analyze strengths and weakness, and provide future suggestions for the company. Then gain practical experience in the marketing division at PT Privi Digital Identity. Enhance my problem solving abilities and adaptability in a professional environment. And this is a place of implementation where I did my internship. Okay, I'm sorry. Um, Actually, PT Privi Digital Identity has many offices, such as in Jakarta, Sentul, Yogyakarta, Australia, But where I did my internship uh, in the Cibis 9 building tower, Cilandak KKO Street, number 129, is Cilandak, Pasar Minggu, South Jakarta, capital region of Jakarta. And this is the phone number, email, and website for information about Privy. And next, vision and mission of the Privy company. Uh, the first vision of the previous company, a strong, reliable, inclusive, and equitable digital identity service structure, highly competitive digital identity services at the global level, digital identity services based on innovation and cutting-edge technology. And mission of the previous company to develop a strong, reliable, inclusive, and equitable digital identity service structure to enhance independent, competitive, and advanced digital identity services, to ensure certainty in the use of digital identities, to open opportunities for innovation and expand job opportunities in the digital technology sector, to increase the distribution of digital identity services across Indonesia. Next, and this is company structure of previous company. Preview was founded by Mr. Marshall Prabadi as CEO, Chief Executive Officer. He's responsible for the company's overall strategy and strategic decision making, and assist by two his friends as the COO and CFO. COO, Chief Operating Officer. He he managed the day-to-day operations of the company, including product and service development. And CFO, Chief Financial Officer. He is responsible for the company's finance and financial strategy. This is company structure, Privy organization structure 2024. The top one is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Then under it there government relations, SVP legal, data compliance, data protection and CORSEC, VP human research, and CEO office, community client relations, internal audit, and then Chief Technology Officer, Chief Information Officer, Chief Finance Officer, EVP Product, Chief Revenue Officer, Chief Operations Officer, and sister company Privy Ayo Pajak, and continued with subordinates. And then there's internship implementation. How and what did I do during my internship at PT Privy Digital Identity? Okay, next. During my internship, I'm not only was I part of digital marketing, uh, but I had three roles in the company, such as content marketing, digital marketing, and marketing communication. In the content marketing, I create interesting content for Instagram story preview that focus on digital identity security and services of using Privy ID. And then in digital marketing, I create content plan for Privy's TikTok account and become a TikTok talent for Privy's official account. Of course, creating creative content, informative, and entertaining. And then in marketing communication, I'm documenting an event, interact directly with visitors or customers when Privy open a booth with the aim of helping into increase sales of and services. This is marketing team weekly meeting during my internship. I had weekly meetings with the all marketing team held every Thursday, led by uh, Mrs. Raturima as previous marketing director to exchange ideas regarding the performance, brainstorming, and work results of the employees. This is my workspace and sorry, not workspace, but this is the tools that I used to work on Instagram story privy content. The name of the tool is Trello. This is my Trello app in my handphone, or we can open on website. And this is me when creating content planning for Instagram story privy in the Trello app. And this is my workspace in making Instagram story content preview. There are the new preview and the deadline, preview terrific Thursday, and blog promotion from preview blog. And and this is an example of preview Instagram content related to preview services and products that I made as interesting as possible. This is what's in Privy to talk about Privy services or Privy product. And this is upload once in 1 week. And this is a picture of me when planning TikTok Privy content and the Privy content workspace that I work on every day. This is a content category, TikTok video, and this is description or my copywriting to content TikTok preview, and this is caption for TikTok, and this is references, sound, and notes, and this is my workspace on my planning TikTok content. And this is me as TikTok talents for Previous official account. This ensures that every content created is not only interesting and entertaining, but also reflects the main message that Privy wants to convey. And this Privy content is upload 3 content in a week. This is me, and me. To explain free trial personal plan. To in, of course to increase sales from Privy product, and this is marketing communication. This is me guarding the Privy booth. While guarding Privy's booth, I charge of welcoming visitors in a friendly manner and providing interesting explanations about Privy's product and services. What I do in the marketing communication, and this is my first event, and the in the Hotel Kuningan, the Ritz Carlton Kuningan Jakarta. This event is the 14th annual Pandi meeting, Digital Sovereign Indonesia. This activity aims to increase awareness of the importance of uh, in the technology and digital industry in Indonesia, one of which is by paying attention to and implementing strong data protection and cybersecurity. There is data of theft and identity for Greek case is a major challenge in the digital economy era. However, it can be prevented with digital identity solutions and certified electronic signatures, or TTA, provided by Privy. And this is my documentation and the 14th annual Pandi meeting on May 16 to 17, 2024 at the Ritz-Carlton Kuningan Hotel, Jakarta. This is me and my mentor, Mrs. Anna, as social media specialist at PT Privy Digital Identity. And this is me and business development team. And this is me and director of Tech Association FinTech in Indonesia. And this is my second event, National Seminar and Healthcare Expo. This activity aims to raise awareness the importance of digitalization and the implementation of green hospital principles in Indonesia by utilizing local wisdom. In the seminar, various strategies and solutions relate to strengthening digitalization in the health sector were discussed, including the application of environmentally friendly technology. And this is my documentation in the National Seminar and Healthcare Expo on July 10 to 12, 2024 at the Ritz-Carlton Kuningan Hotel, Jakarta. This is me and my mentor, Mrs. Anna, and of course, business development team. And this is my obstacles face and solutions I faced during my internship. These are the obstacles and solutions I faced during my internship. So adapting to the transition from the old Privy product to the new one, which involves change in content marketing strategy. But my solutions in this case, I coordinate closely with the marketing team to design and adjust effective content strategies and perform regular evaluations and dynamic adjustments to ensure alignment with product and market change. And finally, the conclusion of this internship report. The conclusion of my internship at PT Privy Digital Identity um, shows that I managed to make a significant contribution in the creation and management of digital content. I was also able to support the company's overall marketing efforts, strength relationships with customers, and increase engagement on social media platforms from Privy, PT Privy Digital Identity. This is my internship gallery. I captured moments with my manager, with my friends in the office that are very memorable for me. And in closing, I would like to thanks for PT Privy digital identity, for the internship opportunity, as well as my academic supervisors and everyone who has supported me. This experience has been invaluable in developing my knowledge and skills in marketing. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.